करीमोजी कहते हैं अपने भविष्य के बारे में सोचे, राज्य के भविष्य के बारे में सोचे कि राज्य के अधिकारों और भाषा के लिए कौन लड़ेगा, हम किस बात के लिए खड़े हैं और फिर वोट दीजिए। इस चुनाव की कहानी यह है कि हमने अच्छा काम किया, हमने 5 साल तक अच्छा शासन दिया और योजनाएं लोगों तक पहुंची।
Think about your future. Think about the future of the state. Think about who will fight for the rights of the states, for the language, what we stand for, and then vote.
Ma'am, there are bus issues that certain parties are talking about, the BJP, the TVK, saying that many buses are not available for voters. How is your response to that?
No, they will keep bringing up issues. They will keep. Any government will make sure that there are enough facilities for voters to come and vote. And when the DMK is very confident that people will vote them back to power, why is it that any government will indulge into something like this? So if you want to make false accusations again and again, and especially on a day when people come to vote, that is politics. And
what is the narrative in this election? What is the narrative in this election? This election, what is the narrative?
This election, the narrative is that we have performed well. We've given good governance for 5 years, and the schemes have reached people. People have understood that DMK and DMK alliance partners are the people who fight, the parties who have an ideological fight to protect the state, to protect our language, to protect our culture, and to ensure that there is a better future for the next generation. So I'm very confident that is the narrative.
Ma'am, TVK's Vijay has written to Election Commission asking for additional 2 hours of extension for voting.
Extension of time till 8 p.m.
8 p.m.
I don't have anything to comment about it. I don't know why, but.
Vijay's first election, message to the.
Pardon?
It's Vijay's first debut election. Do you have any message to them?
No. When they come into politics, they must have a message to the people. I don't have any message or advice for anybody.
Will this be a close fight?